Hey, this is Tracy Lewis with Stuff and Things. Welcome to my channel. I have a little bit of a different video today. It is like part 2 of me wrangling my ribbon trim. So I think it was during a paper pumpkin that I mentioned that I had started to leave the clear plastic liner on, and I would pull out just the end of the ribbon. But I do have older trim that I had already taken the clear wrap off, and then in some cases the clear wrap falls off itself. So I have to read you, before I talk about this little piece of paper in front of me, I'm going to read you, and I'm far away so I probably sound far away, a comment I received. It says, it's from Kathy Kelly 283 in 2 weeks ago. She says, I didn't like using ribbon pins on my ribbon, so I bought a pack of cling vinyl from Amazon. They are several sheets, 12 inches long, which she bought. I cut several strips into various widths and replaced the clear cellophane around my ribbons with the cling. It worked so well. So if more than 12 inches is needed to go around the package, I just press another piece long enough to make it close. So what I did is I got to thinking that our front windows, we have a door and it has 2 panels, and I think the panels of its stained glass are 34 inches long, and then on the outside panels are 2 more vertical 34-inch long stained glass. So Hub and I, when we first moved into the house, he did not like that people could look in because the edges around the stained glass area that's like a crackly material or crackly pattern, the outside edges that are like 1 inch wide on both sides of all 4 of these panels, you can peek into. So I bought vinyl, and it is a frosted vinyl. So now I'm going to pop over to my Amazon history and read to you what I have. So I bought 17.5 by 78.7 inch long frosted vinyl. It's a vertical pattern, very fine pattern. This is what it sort of looks like. It kind of just makes it so that you can't see through, but it lets light in. So I wanted to be able to see people coming up. So during the day, I have 2 table runners that I use on the door panels, and they're just up by Velcro. And then at night I put them up, because that way if somebody comes during the day, I don't mind them seeing me. It's okay, it's not dark, so they really have to look hard to peek in. And then that was our compromise, was having the door panels see-through and the edge panels with this frosted glass. So when I read this from Kathy Kelly, I got to thinking that I already have vinyl cling. So what I did is I had some extra strips. This is how long the strips were double. This is like a little over 12 inches, and I think I had about 24 inches long. And I will tell you, I have this much left. I have so much left, it will last me a lifetime. I figure I will keep some extra strips in my box. Here is what my trim box looks like. When you look at the vinyl cling, it comes in different thicknesses and overall sizes. It also, I should tell you, it has a protective cling on it that you remove, and then it actually has a static side, which is the side that doesn't have the pattern. So all of these steps that come along with it are just irrelevant to me. I don't mind leaving this clear on so that it isn't as clingy. Probably what Kathy Kelly, she talks about having it be clingy and you cling 2 of them together. I've just left the protective on, and I use Scotch tape. So I did cut these at various widths. I have some super fat trims. Here's an example of a super fat one, and this is my protective cover. And every single one of these now has its own cover, either the clear. If the clear is okay, I'm going to leave it on there. and I anticipate that at some point the clear will fall off. This braided linen trim, in fact, the clear looks pretty loose to me and all crinkly, so it might have to go. Oops, over here. Sorry, I have you guys zoomed. So this one is probably one that will have to be replaced. So in this box, I have this long piece that can be cut into various widths. I have one skinny piece that I didn't need to use. And this is going to be my version 2. And I'm very happy that all of my trims are corralled, nice and neatly organized, so that I don't have this box of a snarled ribbon mess that I am used to dealing with. So that's all I have for this episode. If you haven't subscribed, I would love for you to consider subscribing. I have over 600 videos. I know that card making is very time sensitive. So yes, I do my paper pumpkin alternatives. The winter is coming Wednesdays, but there are still ideas in each of these videos that can be applied to any of the new stamp sets. So the next thing I'm going to be working on are some Valentine videos for January. I have already finished all of my Valentine cards. I will tell you that I have mixed all of my paper pumpkins into one box for all of the years that I've done paper pumpkins. So I think I have 6 or 7, probably 7 Valentine kits. They've all been combined into a box, and I don't know if I'm going to be able to remember when I show you the cards that I have mixed current product with some retired paper, because I don't have my paper yet. I did my order. It is coming, and I'll probably do a few more to like finish up the series, but that's what I'm going to focus on this month, are talking about these various cards, and I will do 1 or more cards each episode so we can have a fun January love fest. If you have any questions, comments, or concerns about how Kathy, Kelly, and I now keep our trims under control, please leave it here on this video. And I will put, I do have an Amazon shop. I am an affiliate. So this particular window film, oh, I forgot to tell you the price. Regular price is $9.99 for the size and length that I bought. And right now it's 50% off, so $4.50. And when I looked at my history, I think I paid $7.50. So that's how cheap it is. And this is literally, you know, like 10 times more vinyl than I will ever need to use. All right, that's all I got. Like, share, comment, subscribe, do all those wonderful YouTube things. And as always, thanks for watching.